All right, so we're going to solve this second order differential equation using Laplace transforms. And just to forewarn everybody, it's going to be a very long process because it is second order, and you will notice that it also has a cosine as one of the terms in the differential equation. So the first step, of course, is to go through and take the Laplace transform of both sides of this. So we're going to have the Laplace transform of the left-hand side equaling the Laplace transform of the right-hand side. Once again, we'll use linearity, so we're going to have the Laplace transform of y double prime minus 2 times the Laplace transform of y prime plus the Laplace transform of y, and that's equal to the Laplace transform of the cosine of 2t. All right, now the Laplace transform of y double prime, we learned that back in section 5.2. That's s squared big Y of s minus s times little y of 0 minus y prime of 0. Then we have minus 2 times the Laplace transform of y prime, which is s big Y of s minus y of 0, plus the Laplace transform of y, which is y of s, and that's equal to the cosine, which is going to be s over s squared plus 4. So the next step is to go through and substitute in the different values given to us as initial conditions. So that's s squared big Y of s minus s times the y of 0, which was negative 2, minus y prime of 0, which is 3, then minus 2 times the quantity s big Y of s minus the y of 0, which again is negative 2, plus big Y of s is equal to s over s squared plus 4. And then we're going to have s squared big Y of s plus a 2s minus a 3 minus 2s big Y of s. And then be very careful. Make sure you distribute that negative 2 so that you end up with a minus 4 right there as your number. And then plus y of s is equal to s over s squared plus 4. Just like the previous example, we will collect the big Y of s terms. S squared minus 2s plus 1 times big Y of s, and then we have miscellaneous terms plus 2s minus 7 still equals to s over s squared plus 4. We'll then move the two miscellaneous terms over to the right-hand side, and that will be an s over s squared plus 4, now minus 2s plus 7. And sadly, we're going to have to go in now and do some algebra to combine that right-hand side to make just one single term. So that's going to be s over s squared plus 4 minus 2s s squared plus 4 over s squared plus 4 plus 7 times s squared plus 4 over s squared plus 4. And then if we go ahead and now multiply that out, we'll have one denominator of s squared plus 4, and we'll have the first s that was already there, minus a 2s cubed, minus an 8 times s, plus a 7s squared, and then we're going to have a plus 28 back there. So the next step is going to be to divide through from the left-hand side the s squared minus 2s plus 1, and we'll save that and pick that up in the next video.